Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jewel and I'm here on YouTube and Twitch as Coastal Bassline Eats. What we'll be making today are some banana coconut flour mini muffins. Okay, great. So what we're going to start with is a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/3 cup of coconut flour. Next, what you see me doing here is mashing up 2 very ripe bananas. Next up is a 1/2 cup of butter melted and then cooled to room temperature, and then 2 eggs. What you see me doing here is whisking up the eggs, and I like to do this to add a bit of fluffiness to my cakes. This is actually based on my pound cake recipe, and I do a similar thing there, except I separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. In this case, I kept them together but still whisk the eggs. So once all the ingredients are ready, you just mix them together in your mixing bowl. I like to use the mixer for the non-banana ingredients, and look at that. And then I like to fold in the bananas so that it's nice and gentle. And then our mini muffin batter is ready to go. Next up, I'm going to line my mini muffin pan with mini muffin liners. And this is great because it makes the muffins really portable and also saves on a lot of cleanup. Then I have my ice cream scoop, and I use that to get the batter into the liners. Once all of the liners are full, I just did a simple shake and tap to make sure that they were full, and then I did a bit of evening out to make sure all of the muffins were roughly the same size. Perfect! Now our muffins are ready to be baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until they are done. Yay! So our mini muffins are ready. I took them out of the oven and let them cool in the pan for a bit. And what I'm doing here now is taking them out and then putting them on the cooling rack so that they can cool completely. Alrighty, so it's time for the big moment, the taste test. So I went ahead and popped the mini muffin out of its liner, and I actually broke it apart so I can show you the beautiful texture that it is. And then I took a few bites and finished it off. It was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you're able to try these at home. And if you are able to, please comment below and let me know how they turn out for you.